টান দিকে টান দিকে।
কি বললো ওরা?
ওরা র্যাডিসনই যাচ্ছে।
তো আমরা র্যাডিসনই চলে যাই।
হ্যাঁ, র্যাডিসনেরই রোড দিয়ে করে নিয়েছে।
আমার সেটাই প্রথমে মনে হয়েছিল র্যাডিসনের অফিসে চলেও যেতাম। সেটা গিয়ে আবার শেখ জায়েদে পড়বো।
শেখ জায়েদ কিলোমিটার। अच्छा, हम लोग तो रेडिसन का रूट ले लिए। चेक इन पूरी ना होना था।
তো জায়গা চেঞ্জ করতে গেলে আমাদের তো ড্রাইভিং এ প্রবলেম হয়ে যাবে। সোজা এখান থেকে ডান দিকে তো?
হ্যাঁ,
যতক্ষণ করবো আর খেয়ে দিয়ে তত করে পৌঁছবে।
মানে আমি গিয়ে আমাকে চেক ইন করাতে হবে। আমার কার্ডই করেছে, তো এমনি চেক ইন করে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, দিয়ে ওখানে ওয়েট করবো না, দুদিনের ঘরেই ওয়েট করবো।
হ্যাঁ, বা ওখানে রেস্টুরেন্টে ওয়েট করবো। अच्छा यार, हम लोग तो निकल गए। मैं देखता हूँ अभी उनके जाने का वो क्या होगा, मतलब रेस्टोरेंट का भेज दोगे लोकेशन? वही है जो? अच्छा, ओके ओके, ठीक है। अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ तुम लोग स्टार्ट कर लो, हम लोग देखते हैं। हम लोगों को शायद घूम के आने में अभी टाइम लगेगा। हम लोग तो निकल गए, वो ब्रिज
रेडिसन ही चले जाती है चेक इन कराची।
नहीं तो रेडिसन में हम लोग वेट करेंगे। हाँ हाँ, मैं जाके फिर चेक इन करा लेता हूँ इविलियन का, और फिर हम लोग वही उधर ही वेट करेंगे। ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत जो वीकनेस है 90% আমরা চলে যাই চেক ইন।
ওখানে মানে যে রেস্টুরেন্ট,
হ্যাঁ ওখানে আরেকটা রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে সেটা খোলা আছে।
যেমন আমরা এখন অনেকটাই দূরে চলে গেছি, ঘুরে ঘুরে রাস্তা অনেক সময় লাগবে। ওদের চেক ইনটা করে একবারে সমস্যার সমাধান হয়ে যাবে, খিদেও নেই তো আমাদের।
আমার
সেই পাউন্ডটি আর এই শারজার রাস্তায় ঘুরতে বহুত ইয়ে হয়ে যাবে, যেটা তো খাবার দাবার চলে আসবে, শেষ হয়ে যাবে।
We're in Sharjah station.
সোজা তো।
Rolla.
সোজা। কত কিলোমিটার দেখাচ্ছে? হ্যাঁ, আমার ওই জন্য আরো বেশি দূরে যাওয়ার ইচ্ছে নেই বাবা, এইখান থেকে তাড়াতাড়ি বেরিয়ে গেছে তো উপর নিচে।
বিশাল বড় হোটেল, এটা রেডিসন 5 স্টার, আর দামও খুব একটা কম না, আমাদের কম লাগছে চলো, তার কারণ ইয়ে আছে বলে, আমাদেরটা খুব এক্সেসিভ হয়ে গেছে বলে।
তারপরে
দেখো পার্কিং আছে, নইলে ভ্যালে পার্কিং আশা করি দেবে।
চলে যাই গাড়িটা পেছনে।
You're rounding to the dito day.
আমি যাই গিয়ে একবার চেক করি।
Finally, it's nice.
No, she's fasting, so you have some iftar or something dinner? Okay,
আমার কাছে কার্ড আছে, যদি ওটা না থাকে।
she needs to be. You have to sign everything.
ওর ভালো লেগেছে, ওকে চলছে না।
But for 2 days, this is my hotel. with 2 days. Sangka pa ang amo ko ang nag-alaga. Wow!
Kita mo, Daddy.
Wow! You're not hungry, madam?
No, I'm not hungry because we went outside.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
But you were hungry. Oh, you can.
No, I'm not there. Because they are eating and you're not.
Wow. So
Wow.
Evelyn,
Yeah,
this
it's
is
okay. Oh, wow. It's nice.
This is fine, or you don't need 2 separate beds, right?
No need, no need.
This is nice. This is Nanny's hotel.
Also, Nanny can go to day, big day.
Yeah.
I didn't like shopping. Me, no. I'm sure we will go out. Adru, nice? Wow. There, Nani also have TV. Nani also have TV. Oh, okay. What is the free here? Coffee?
Yeah, coffee, water.
I forgot to bring the egg. Yeah, it's okay.
That is mini bar, but it won't be free. Huh? Oh, it's empty.
Adru, what you see in my bed? Look! So nice! Adru, come and look at one more. Adru, one more time. Hi! It's Maggie! Ah! Da-dang, 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 da-dang. Oh! Adru, I will show you something. See? Ooh. Ooh. Bah! Ang cute naman. Ang cute naman ng bathroom na ito. Meron pang glass ito. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang kaganda. Wala lang kasi mga Ramadan lang kasi ngayon. Kaya wala. Ay, ang ganda. Nila, ano? Dalawa. Ito na siguro yung tira. So mag-request ka if you want. What is that? It's lamp. It's lampshade. Oh. Hello. Oh. Wow. So
We didn't
amazing.
ask for the Wi-Fi password. You should have free Wi-Fi.
We will not drink tea or coffee.
Yeah.
Oh.
We can go to
There's free. No more coffee. I didn't see. I didn't. Only 2 milk. Maybe you need to ask.
Yeah.
Or maybe no free.
Yeah.
Just go. You just go
No,
eat.
it should be tea coffee should be free.
দিয়ে আমরা ওদের খাওয়া দাওয়া
This is my hotel. Adru book for me. Adru, thank you for my very beautiful hotel. Hey, look at here.
I think our car is there only.
It's better than.
I saw that.
Baby, you lost. Wow. MashaAllah. It's very nice hotel room.
Second exit money is there for it.
there 2007. Always.
এই জায়গাটা বেশ ভালো, বেশ নিরিবিলির মধ্যে। ওই জায়গাটা অনেক হোটেল আমরা যেখানে যাই।
No.
Yeah, it's very new.
You remember that before, madam, when I work with you, the Irani family?
Yeah.
This place, always, every week.
This place?
This is opposite in hotel last time we went, nah?
Yeah,
This
it's
side.
similar to Ajman Sari.
Yeah, it's there that side every week before. Too much fish, fresh.
So,
Also here. Wow, so nice. Your 2 days is not enough to walk in this park.
yeah.
Look, so nice the plants. Yeah, this before when with that time is still working this.
আমার মনে হচ্ছে আদ্র পেছনে বসে আছে।
ও আমি ভাবছি ও ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে।
হ্যাঁ,
খেয়ালই নেই যে ওর ওই গাড়িতে আছে।
হ্যাঁ।
Adra sleeping?
আর
She's in the other car.
আর ও তো জারি ওর পাশে দেখে। Everything, we need to take everything, no?
Your bag, you took already your bag. Yeah. Uy, tsadaha, uy. Mashallah. Uy, nakaka-inlove. Char. Nakaka-inlove ang flower. Uy, ang bango paga ba? Wala man sa bundok. Uy, si Banya ni mo, berti kalikuta ay. Oo. Uy, tsada kayo siya ga. Uy, gani. Ga, tanawa dito ga. Tanawa dito ga, oh. Ga, tanawa sila dito ga sa gitna, oh. Tsada na. Huh? Tsada kayo ng hotel. Katong na pa. Katong mag-uya pa midang nung ni kanong ka ba. Ingon na nga siya nga. Kanang hotel na para sa mga private. Katong mga kabit-kabit. Mga kabit-kabit. Oo, dire. Okay. Tago man. Tingnan mo naman ang lugar. Oh, grabe. Tsada kayo yung lugar, no? Tapos may globe kasi. Pero gising naman na si Abiana. Ga. Adra, so nice. Adra, look, your hotel more nice. This is your hotel. You and Diti Vanya, you here. It's so nice. So which is better, Nani hotel or your hotel? My hotel. Daw totoo? Ha? 5 isa? O duha ka adlaw? Ga? Ha? Mahal di ay. Tama di sabi nga 3,000 mahigit. Wow. Adru, behave. Where is your... Come on, walk proper. Come on faster. Look, mom and daddy's far.
Mama, you're just in my car.
Yeah.
I'm thinking you're not coming with me.
I'm coming always, but in the night, I will sleep with Mylene. There in my hotel. Okay? See your things, sister.
I'll go to my mommy's hotel and sleep.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm going to go to the third floor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming.
Okay, she know already her things. Okay, let's go and check.
Okay, be careful.
Come on.
There is a private garden and the rooms above.
Ang ganda ng hotel nila. Tiyaan. Wow, your room key. Kakaibang key. Ang ganda dito guys, oh. Wow, see yung aking tatay. You can see the beach from here. Wow. This is house or hotels? So, ang isa, oh, ready na siya, oh. Already. Adro, you bring the... okay. Don't put any color. You need to pay then. You will pay. Hi, guys. We are here in the beach. We are here in the beach. Look. Ginawa akong photographer ni Adro, oh. Adri! Adro, don't play that. It's dirty. It's not good smell. It's broken also. Look, it's broken also. You just play with it, Ibanya. Hawak ko yung picture. Hawak ko yung video ng amo ko. Hawak ko yung video ko. Ang ganda ng sunset dito, guys. Ganda ng sunset. Wow! Naglalakad sa sunset. Yoo-hoo! Ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Adro.
They're making something. I'm making lots of these so that I can jump on them. Because they're so normal. Wow. You have to make gigantic toads. Because
Asa na? Adro! Saan ba yung mga yun? Ha? Okay.
You see the shell?
Mm-hmm.
You dig deep like this.
And then? It's
Then
new.
put this in
And then?
and cover it in.
And then?
And then put an X on the mark. And done, okay?
Nothing.
So, we're playing a game.
I'm making a video.
Now, to hide this somewhere while I'm not looking. Not when I'm not looking. I'll hide it anywhere.
Come on, Adro.
Wait, I'll make it happen.
Come here, come here. Where's your mom is there? Ganting ng alaga. So much fun. Didi ba niya? Adro? Adro, call Didi ba niya? Adro? Say call Didi ba niya? You always call Didi ba niya? Si Didi ba niya? Dito medyo gwapa ko diri kaya tsada ang kuan. Uy, daghang kay mga activities guys. Ay, dami activities oh. Wala man tao. Nagki-click, buti nagki-click tong ano na to ga, no?
Dagan siguro mo visit. Dagan man gud nga taga Dubai. Mga kuan man.
Sunrise. Naarami diri sa sunrise guys. Charot. Uy, sunrise kape. Hala, magkape lang taga. Adro, Adro, your daddy will shout. Don't come this side. Shouta kay diri guys. Adro, go there. You want to see there? Let's go. You want to see? Let's go. We will ask how much age. We will ask what time you will close tomorrow. What time you will close? Wow. We will ride here. See, there is bike also.
I want to play in this trampoline.
Chada kay diri guys. Wow.
Mommy, where will we go back?
Huh? Ha? There. Here. Hindi mo na naalala way back home.
Where are you now? Maya!
Adro, Didi ba niya? Adro, call Didi ba niya? There.
I did it.
Don't run. Ga! Ga! Maylin! Tulungan mo ko ba? Napapagod na ako. Yung alaga mo ba? Adro! Don't go always here. There is shark here. Look! Go there! Come on! Just stay here. Adro, just stay here. Adro, go back there. Adro, go back to the mom and daddy. Just sit down there. Gachada kayang kuan ay. Wow. Gachada kay gano. Tara na. Luya sa akong alaga oy. Naalala na naman alaga baka na. Oy, may tama-tama palaga may kapihan palaga oh. Oh, tumutulo pa kape. George, tabi. Hawak kamay. Hawak kamay. Ah. So, dagan mo tayo
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, ate, upagani. Picture ako.
All thing is it.
Maybe she's
Plate coming, plate broken. Yeah.
Oh no.
No.
Maybe she's very angry. From where you are, brother?
I'm from India.
At least she did not broke it in your face, the plate. Yeah, because me also same. But if you are fighting me too much, gir, and he only silent.
No. When she is too much talking, I get blank and sleep.
Then more angry.
Noisy, I hear the noise.
How you can sleep in very noisy. So much funny, baga. Maybe that cleaner got also all the stuff in the Radisson, only they are staying in front of that building.
Yeah.
Maybe
No, they have own accommodation, but she is living with the husband. So that one is, there is private salon, is massage center. She is doing massage.
Oh, not a private.
Maybe the husband.
Radisson.
Yeah, but
Maybe the
there is
husband-
visa for Radisson.
Husband.
But, yeah.
Radisson visa.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
bad luck.
yeah.
Maybe the husband gets jealous.
Maybe husband
They
push
fight,
him,
huh?
push here.
What? That guy really every day talking with me. He's a very nice person. I don't know how it's happened. He
Oh.
never get angry with anyone. I didn't see now 2 years. This what happened? Both I don't know. Maybe she drunk and jump.
And too much.
Yeah, Nepali also too much drinking, you
Too
know.
much drinking, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
too much drinking also.
Marami
You know,
sila ulo.
where Dubai, marami sila ulo in Dubai, in
Yeah.
the park,
Yeah.
they're sitting down with red horse.
Yeah.
No, you don't know that.
They are all.
This lady no see because in the park because she's always in the mall and the private hotel.
Yeah.
But me, I always walking to the to the park.
Never booking. No, because our place is like it's like a hotel or something,
Yeah,
and there's no lot of like
And-
standby people who are
yeah, and she's going with her husband. No, on the park
yeah.
because
Oh.
she's rich. This is rich.
Oh, very
Me,
rich.
me, I'm poor. With my, we are walking on the park. I saw all the Pali there sitting. You know, Al Gubayba bus station.
Yeah, Gabeba.
They are calling there Nepali Park. Yeah,
Dahil mag-inom sila dito.
mag-inom sila dito. Unahan mga luggage pa sila ga mga pagkain. May red horse yun na
Before,
siya.
you know, is Satua, Dubai,
Yeah.
Karama, Satua, all Filipino area. Now there is, you can see there is Nepali, and you never see that Filipino. Oh, that's all look like Filipino. They're talking English.
Your wife is so amazing.
Ah, she's very.
Yeah, she's amazing because she will break a plate if she.
Sometimes.
But that's better, you know.
But you know, sometimes I was thinking only me Filipino like that. That's
Oh.
sometimes my partner told me why Filipino always like that, fighting always too much. I watch on TikTok too much gargar blah, 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 all Filipino like that. So now when you say your wife also like that, why almost Filipino guys?
Filipino all same, no? It's,
Because
it's the
Filipino
one
is
thing.
like a very caring person, a
When-
very loving person,
when-
and if you
when-
like end up like if you
Yeah.
are like you are not responding or you are not doing
Oh, yes.
good, doing that
Now-
well, and then we will
now
get so
she get
angry.
angry sometime because she's getting old.
Yeah.
And when is old people, you know, that's like
Yeah.
children, child.
And too much
Everything.
thinking also.
what he want directly. Now I need. Now I need.
No.
You Kali wali work. Come now. It's like that.
Ah?
Last night dish their problem. We take off. Now I call
have
the
kids?
people. Huh?
You have kids?
My kids all settle in one daughter in America, one
Ah.
son in Holland.
But
We are-
with daughter, are you
With
kids from
Filipina?
Filipina?
Yeah.
Oh, another.
Yeah.
Filipina?
MashaAllah.
That's good.
It's too much. Cute.
Yeah, but it's only
Yeah, because mixed blood, Indian and Filipina, it's very beautiful.
It's
I have also
only-
a friend.
yeah, it's only
For
too
mixed
much
blood.
angry and too much talking because we are too much caring.
Yeah.
She's getting it. She's very good.
Very, very
Yeah.
caring. Well, yeah.
And if we love so much.
And you know when she will catch you that you are talking with another lady.
You will
What?
be dead.
She catch me now. That's why she sometimes get angry.
That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
No,
she will
it's
never
talking
forget
our,
that.
Our work.
She will never
That's
forget
it.
that.
No,
And then
our
Yeah,
work
your
is a
work.
taxi
you will
driver.
pay the
Yeah,
price.
yeah, yeah.
Just someone
Paying so
is
much
call me.
driver.
Hi, how are you? You know there is friendly people.
Yeah.
You know, Filipino is friendly people. There is very very close when you are a regular customer.
Mm.
They're talking like friendly.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Who
You're like
directly send me, son ka? Shunu to?
you are dead.
Oh,
Dead.
bye-bye, huh? Oh, bye-bye, huh? Oh.
Patay ka
Ah.
dyan.
Oh, it's so funny. You know, in the TikTok, all Pakistan,
Yeah,
India.
India.
yeah.
But they are making sometimes all Filipino is commented. Why all Filipino is like that? Is why Filipino is you using
Because
Filipino?
all have girlfriend Filipino.
Yeah.
They will say why
Girlfriend, wife, all there.
why all Filipino take all the Pakistanis? Why all Filipino take all the Indians? The Indian ladies already angry. Because finish,
No,
it's
in
gone.
my neighbor
But-
in India.
But be careful, brother.
We are five family near, all
Filipino.
wedding Filipino.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
but
very
be careful, brother. Last, I advised you.
Yeah.
If she will cut you, she will
You will
cut
be
you
dead.
properly, or you will maybe
with the girl?
she will cut you and send you to your home.
No, she can. I know that.
Of course she can.
Yeah.
So we just walk here, na?
No, it's just wait coming there.
He paid already, na? My sir, or not provided? Yeah. Hi.
Ah,
But Arfan is like Pakistan, right?
Yeah.
Pakistani name. Yeah. Why you
What?
thinking Pakistan? India,
Muslim.
same.
Ah, that is
Kaya
Muslim.
magkano? Man,
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Here we are. Yeah.
Thank you so much, brother.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Right.
Ga ang mga ano. Ang daghang kay mga halimaw sa banga diri ga.
Gwapong Amerikano, nag-smiles na lang ko.
May kauban ng ano. May mga
Pero kita ang gwapo para sa lahat.
ang gani. Daghang kay banga diri ga. Unya katong ang hotel ba. Naa siya liblib nga room. Naa siya liblib nga room ga, tas may banga. naalala ko yung nung araw na video ga nga halimaw sa banga. Tsada kayo no. Wow. O tsada kay hair ni Mylene oh. Automatic pa to. Garaa eh. Wow. Ay, pakita natin ang atong ID.